Kung papasok kayo sa membership club na to with the expectation na kahit wala kayong gagawin, bubuhos ng pera in front of you, then I'll be honest, this is not for you. I'm looking for people na may gigil sa pagbabago. Those who understand that success is a combo of working smart, staying consistent, and surrounding yourself with the right system and support. Yung mindset na hindi umaasa lang sa swerte, pero gumagawa ng paraan. Yung may drive, yung may pangarap. Kung ikaw yon, keep watching. I've been in the networking space for 8 years now, and to be honest, before I found the right business model, ubos na ubos po ako sa pera, oras, at energy. I was a single mom just trying to make it work. Nakailang subok din ako sa mga high-ticket businesses na puro hype pero kulang sa resulta. Then I found this $10 membership club and I thought, wow, eto na, this is different. And it really is. But I've been noticing some videos lately, well-meaning pero missing the full picture. Kasi instead of educating people with facts, they're making it sound like just activate your account or create an account, reactivate, sit back, and spillovers will start raining in. That's not how this works. And that kind of messaging hurts the integrity of what we are really building here. Well, ano ka mo ang spillovers? Spillovers mean may chance kang kumita kahit di ka pa nag-i-invite sa business model na to, pero walang guarantee kung kailan, gaano kalaki, or kung mangyayari ba agad. Yes, it's true, you can earn even without referring anyone. As an unranked affiliate in this membership club, your income potential is up to 2K a month, but only when your matrix is completely filled. At para malinaw po, hindi na pupuno ang matrix in just 3 to 5 years, lalo na kung hindi ka rin naman nagbe-build ng team. So ano ba talaga ang nakaka-apekto sa spillovers? Number 1, gaano ka-active ang sponsor mo. Kung ang sponsor mo ay consistent sa pag-refer, malaki ang chance na magkaroon ka ng spillovers. Pero kung inactive na siya or bihira na lang siya magtrabaho, don't expect magic. Number 2, timing kung kailan ka nag-join sa matrix ng sponsor mo. Matrix positions fill from top to bottom, left to right. So if you join early when your sponsor was just starting and actively promoting, then you're likely to benefit from early growth. But if you joined months later or years later, many positions might already be filled and you may be at a lower level. So spillovers take longer to reach you. And number 3, duplication within your team. Kung ikaw at ang iyong team pareho-pareho nagtatrabaho, meaning you're all taking action, sinishare nyo yung business, and you're staying consistent, mas mabilis mapuno ang matrix because multiple people are helping build it. But if you rely only on one person to do the work, well, spillovers will crawl or not come at all. In my first 3 months, I personally created spillovers for a few of my direct referrals, including my sons and some of my siblings. At ngayon, kumikita na po sila buwan-buwan. So yes, spillovers are indeed real. But they happened because I was active from day one and so was my team. But even with all these activities, may mga direct affiliates pa din ako na sumali sa akin 4 months and onwards after ko mag-start, na wala pa rin talaga nare-receive na spillover galing sa akin. And I've been promoting this non-stop for 2 years, so go figure. That should tell you, it's not magic. It is action, movement. What hurts even more, yung mga napangakuan. Dahil na-disappoint po sila, they're now out on social media bashing the company and its affiliates. Damay tayong lahat. So instead of over-promising, wouldn't it be better to just lead with truth? This membership model works. Ang dami niyang benefits. The products are excellent. The system is fair. But this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Why this company is still the right one? Well, I've never been more sure that this is the right opportunity to build a lifetime of residual income online. This is it talaga. Because since launching globally 2.5 years ago, this membership club has grown consistently and rapidly with nearly 2 million members, new life-changing products, and powerful social media exposure around the world. So if you're here dahil gusto mo kumita sa legit na paraan and you want truth over tactics, then I got you. Comment info below and see for yourself why I call this my legacy business. I'm a single mom of 3. Wala po akong oras sa kalokohan. This is about building something real with integrity. Kaya sana, tayong lahat, let's raise the bar. Huwag na tayong mag-hype.